So we're going to go to our solver again. So that was math, and go to 0 to your solver and hit enter. Okay, go up to your equation, and we have one side to 0, so we got to manipulate our equation so we have one side to 0. So let's subtract this 7 over. Absolute value of -4 is just a 4. And then subtract 7, we'll get a -3. So we have absolute value of 6 minus 7t minus 3 equals 0. That's what we'll enter in this left side to our solver. So first we need absolute value things. So go to math, and at the top it says NUM, so arrow over to that. Our number, that's what that stands for. The very first one says ABS. That's the one we want. I'll have a left parenthesis, hit enter. Okay, so then go 6 minus, has a t but might as well use an x, so 7x. Then we put a right at parenthesis to show that we're ending the absolute value. And then minus 3. Enter. Okay, for my initial, where it says x equals, I'm going to put a 2 just to kind of show you what happens. There's a little flaw in the calculator here. So let's hit enter. Never mind. Okay, have it highlighting on x equals 2 and do your solve, so alpha enter, and we'll get x equals 1.2857 ... Okay, let's do it again. Don't change the equation. Let's just change our x equals, so the initial x guess, to a 0, and hit the solver again. And now it says x equals 0.428571. Okay, which one's right? Well, they both are. Remember how if we have an absolute value equals a number, there's going to be two equations and 2 answers. So be very careful that you know what you're doing and what kind of answer to expect.